In this tutorial, you'll be learning about trim mode. Trim allows you to add or remove frames to a shot in the timeline. To enter trim mode, click the trim button located below the Smart Tools, which is here, or by pressing U on the keyboard. When entering trim mode, you are automatically in dual roller trim. This affects both sides by adding frames to one shot while subtracting the same amount of frames on the adjacent shot. The duration of the sequence is not changed and does not affect other clips in the sequence. Overwrite trim, it never moves other segments into the timeline track. When you trim away from frames, a gap of black filler is left in its place. For example, if we are on the left-hand side and we move it to the left, it creates a black space. If I click Command Z and we go back into trimmer mode by pressing U, we press on the right-hand side, it shortens the V clip by rolling it up and starting at a later point in the clip. The M clip doesn't move, and then it leaves a black filler for the space that is left. Click on the left-hand side of the blue bar if you want to extend the M clip over the V clip. Move it to the right, and you'll see in our composer window, you can see how Mercury is being extended and where Venus, it will start when we release our mouse. It extended the clip Mercury down the timeline, overwriting the Venus clip. If we use ripple trim, which is the yellow trim, when you trim away from frames, all material on the track ripples up to close the gap. When you extend a segment, all material on the track ripples down to accommodate the additional frames. For example, if we go on the left-hand side, this will extend my Mercury video and move the rest of the sequence down the timeline. Another way to use trim mode is if you want to move a specific video or audio clip over another video or audio clip. Say I just want to move my Mercury video over my Venus video, not the audio, just the video. Make sure that your link toggle selection is turned off, which is located here. And make sure also you have your overwrite trim turned on. We want to make sure that our trim is on the left-hand side. And now we see how our Mercury video only has the overwrite trim on it and our audio does not have it. So what we want to do is just bring this over to the right-hand side, making it go over the Venus video. As you can see, the Mercury video extended over the Venus audio, replacing the Venus video with the Mercury video.